Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to create Instagram account officially or professionally. Actually Instagram is really very important application for us because through this Instagram we can connect to our friends, family members and lots of people we can connect, right? So if you don't have Instagram account, then you can create Instagram account, okay? So in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way for you. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So first of all, you'll need to go to Play Store and then make sure you install this Instagram application in your phone. So after installing it, just click here open option. And then you will see this kind of interface. So in the bottom you can see create new account. So just tap on it. And after that you can see this kind of interface, so you can give your phone number, okay? If you want to create your account with phone number, either you can give your Gmail account, okay? So I want to give my Gmail account, so that's why I need to click the second one, sign up with email address. So let me click on it, and after that just give here a valid email address, okay? So let me give mine. So after giving it, just click here next option, and it will send 6-digit code to your Gmail account. So collect that code from your Gmail account, okay? So let me collect mine. So in my Gmail you can see this is the code I just received. So let me copy it, and after that just paste it here, okay? So after that just click here next option, and now you need to give any kinds of password, okay? So let me give mine. So after giving your password, just click here next option, then save your login info, just click here save, then set your date of birth. So let me choose random one. So after giving your date of birth, just click here set option, then click here next option, and then give your name, okay? So let me give mine, Saif Abdullah. So after giving your full name, just click here next option, and this is your username, okay? It's already given, but you can change it, so you can give anything if you want, okay? So right now I don't need to do that, I just select this one. So after that just click here next option, and then click here I agree. So after that you need to add your profile picture. So let me click add picture, and then choose from gallery, then allow. So after giving your picture, just click here done option, and your account already created. So just click here next option, then click allow, then click skip, then again skip, then you can click follow friends, but I need to click skip, then skip, and you can follow any one of them. Just click here follow option, and your Instagram account already created, okay? So by this easiest process you can create Instagram account easily. So thank you so much for watching this video.